In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock. Hit Screen Lock here and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Click on the best one, wait 5 seconds and choose Next in the pop-up. Now create your login method. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select OK. Last but not least, answer this question by choosing one of the available options. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, high sensitive content, or hide all notifications. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!